Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today we are going to move in your office environment. So if you're feeling a little uncomfortable, you can get your colleagues also to join. You can tell your boss it's for a good cause. So get everyone going. Alright, so let's first get up and place your feet apart, hands apart, and let's do those 3 purposeful breaths. Right, nice and strong, sit tall, stand tall. Big inhale through your nostrils and exhale. Inhale through your nostril and exhale. Last one. Inhale, visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great job. And I invite you to join me in saying these positive affirmations out loud or within you. I am strong, I am calm, I am forgiving, I am courageous, I am safe, I am happy. Feel those going deep into your being. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great, so we're going to mobilize our shoulders. So it's kind of a window cleaning situation. So you're going to move them that way. So you feel your 3, 4 and your shoulders and your neck relaxing. Now opposite direction. It's also working all your upper arms, your fingers, right? 3, 4 and 5. Good. We're going to do some chest openings. So you're going to bring your hands in front of you like that and out. And out. You're going to move your pelvis also inward, upward. Now your neck. Let's go. This is kind of a cat-cow variation while getting your arms, your shoulders, your neck, your pelvis, everything's working in unison. That's it. One last one. And done. Let's take a deep breath in through our nostrils. Big inhale. And exhale. Great job. So I invite you to sit on your chair. And you're going to do some jogging while sitting, right? You can do any variation you like. If you want, you can just do like that, so get the blood flow, whatever you want, right? So I invite you just something like that, like a tiptoe, right? So it gets the lower part of your body really warming up. You can either do a tiptoe or full contact, up to you. You can remove your shoes and move your hands also with it. So you get your upper part of the body also a little bit of warm up. That's it. Of course, you can bring it much higher if you want to. I'm just trying to keep it low intense. Right? I'm sure you'll feel a little blood flow now. You'll feel your thighs kind of working. All right. And we're done. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breath. Big inhale. And exhale. So I invite you to come into a standing position. We're going to move a little bit more before we end the session. So you're going to move your right leg out, left hand out, right? But when we move it, you're going to move your fingers up and down also, okay? Ready? So opposite leg, like that. Then like that. It's like kind of dancing kind of. So you're going to move your hands and your feet. So it's also giving you the brain power also because you have to coordinate. You know, sometimes when you're looking in the computer, always your brain, your mind is a little numb. So this is also good for your sides, right? So your fingers, every part of your body. That's it. And done. Hands apart, feet apart. Let's do those 3 purposeful breaths. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Big inhale and exhale. Last one, remember to focus on your shoulders. Big inhale through your nostrils and visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great job. Let's connect with our affirmations again and our inner self and tell ourselves that we have everything we need, that we are safe, and we are strong, and you are happy. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job on joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.